In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic multi-voice dialogue using ElevenLabs' innovative tools. Whether you're a content creator, a podcast producer, or someone trying to bring characters to life, this platform offers a wide range of features to help you achieve your creative goals. To kick things off, what you want to do is write or paste your script directly into the ElevenLabs studio. This is your starting point. Imagine your script with its characters fleshed out, each needing a unique voice to embody who they are. In the text box of the studio, you can assign different voices to each character's lines. Think of this as assigning roles in a play. It's all about giving your dialogue the depth and realism that can capture your audience's imagination. Now, if you're aiming for that natural conversational flow where characters might interrupt each other or speak over one another, you can use the new 11v3 audio tags. These include tags like interrupting and overlapping, which you can place directly within your script. It's like giving your characters the freedom to interact more naturally. These audio tags are perfect for moments of lively banter or intense discussions where voices might collide. They bring an element of spontaneity and realism, ensuring that your dialogue isn't just a series of lines, but a living conversation. For those who want to dive even deeper into voice personalization, ElevenLabs offers the voice design tool. This feature allows you to create custom voices, giving you ultimate control over tone, pitch, and personality. Perhaps your podcast needs a one-of-a-kind voice that stands out, or maybe you want a character to have a distinct dialect or accent. This tool is your gateway to crafting those unique auditory experiences. Additionally, for a streamlined process to create podcasts, you can make use of the Gen FM feature. This automates the selection of host and guest voices, providing you with a range of pre-selected options. It's ideal for those who are looking to produce content with less time spent on manual voice selection. You get to focus more on the substance of your content and less on the technical setup, making the whole experience smoother and more efficient. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to using ElevenLabs for creating multi-voice dialogues. Remember, the key to a successful dialogue is variety and natural interaction. Whether through assigning unique voices, using strategic audio tags for overlap, designing custom sounds, or utilizing pre-selected voices for ease, ElevenLabs gives you the toolkit to transform your script into an engaging, audio-rich experience. So go ahead and let your characters speak with authenticity and flair. Get creative, explore these features, and give your audience an auditory treat they won't forget.